right, y'all, we're switching it up today. We're going 6 cylinders. He's got it up in here. All right, here we go. 981 action, oil change. Here we go. So welcome back, everybody. As promised, we're doing V6 stuff here. Chris again, and we have, who's this?
My name is Jeff.
Hey Jeff, how you doing, brother?
Good, man.
You're gonna kill me when you see the video published. Well, Corey and I have got plans to introduce you. All right, so Jeff got his kit here from FCP Euro, and what is your plan with the measuring device there, brother?
I just figured it'd be easier to measure it out all together in one, and it comes with a nice handy horsepower.
Horsepower. All right.
A little bit simpler.
All right. So, cool. All right. So this is going to be the quickest oil change that I've done in this garage because Jeff does not have panels underneath his car like the 718. So here we go. Let's get it on. All right. So as promised, this is going to be the fastest oil change ever. I talked Jeff into oil sample from Blackstone. This is his first oil change, so he's gonna cry or be happy when the results come back. So yeah, there's no panel here, and we're going to get this oil sample taken and buttoned back up. Oh, by the way, those of you who do not have a lift and think that they are good to go with only raising the back, look at the space. There's your drain, and then this is the front of the pan. So if you have the back end tilted up, you've got at least 2, maybe 3 quarts of oil that are going to pool in the front of this pan here. So you really do need to be level, or if you can, hell, raise the front up and try to get under it that way because your oil drain is in the back. So get it level or raise the front up instead. Let's do it. Okay, so Jeff's up underneath the filter right now, and he has a straight extension on it, and that's red hot oil. We're gonna see his technique here. So he's slowly lowering it. The idea is to keep that as vertical as possible. He's doing a great job. Look at this. Oh, don't pull on it. Oh my God. Oh, Jeff, oh, it popped off. I wish I had better light. Oh my goodness. Oh, Jeff, it's gonna splash right up on us. Yep, try to pop it off and use your hand. There you go. I wish I had better light, y'all. Sorry. This is the oh, we got it. Oh, there we go. There. Did you see that switch? That dude's got cat-like reflexes. There we go.
You can do that with the sock on.
Oh God. Wiggled it, wiggled it.
Ooh, that's hot.
Yeah, careful, buddy. That's called heat transfer. Wow, it doesn't want to come out.
Yes. Let me go.
Oh. All right, Jeff got it. Very nice. Socket, filter it all. Beautiful. Dump it in there, baby. There we go. Get all that freaking hotness out. All right, beautiful. All right, so Jeff's gonna pre-lube the filter here. Not like the 718 that sits horizontally. You cannot do this trick. So I'm going to dip it in one side, get her lubed up. We'll forego the analogy, but and then he's gonna flip it over and soak the other side. It's omnidirectional, and there's no packings on these filters. They literally just sit in there with pressure when you put them in or install them. You flip it over real nice. There you go. All right. And so now that we got our filter pre-lubed and some oil in the bowl, we're gonna reinsert the bowl with the new packing on the cartridge and go for broke. Reverse order. Stupid simple, or KISS. Keep it simple. Stupid. That's me. I'm stupid. And that's pretty much it. Didn't spill a drop. Beautiful job. Oh, you're in there.
There it goes.
All right. See, I had faith. So Jeff is using his fancy little pour device here. Get my dick beaters out of the way. So, what do you call this thing, Jeff?
I don't know. It's just what do you call it? An oil pitcher?
An oil pitcher. All right, like a water pitcher.
Yeah.
I've never seen such a thing.
You can measure
But
the whole quantity.
it does give you a measuring. I really could have used this when I drained my transmission to see how much I actually pulled out to know how much they needed to go back in. I will have to go find me one of these oil pitchers next time.
$28 Amazon.
Oh, very nice. I will comment. Jeff was worried about wearing his Verstappen shirt here, fanboy. Max needs to learn how to manage his battery. Just saying. give that boy. Give that boy. Give that boy a naturally aspirated freaking manual car, and he will spank the living death out of everyone. Ooh, how much you got in there? Let's see how much you got in there. That's a lot. That's 6. How much we going for?
It was
7.9. 7.9. Oh, and we put a little bit in the filter bowl too, right?
7.5 liters.
Okay.
We probably put, if I can tell you, let's have a measurement. This is 1 liter and
Smidge.
Maybe a third of it.
All right. All right. Well, we'll get him pouring it in the car. Let's see if he makes a mess or that pour spout actually works for him. Oh, here we go. As I call it, the moment of truth. The moment of truth if he's going to make a giant mess or not. The pressure's on. Oh, pour it over. Spouts in. Oh, I could see where that could become a problem if it like locked on you and didn't get any air.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be a bad day. All right, you're rolling. All right. So Jeff went with 7.25 liters here in the oil spout, like a T, like a it is.
You got twisted T for the 981.
That's right. That's right. Ooh, octane booster. You'd be in trouble putting octane in the engine oil though. All right, with that, man, we're gonna drain this pitcher and crank it up. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. Gonna crank it up. Hit your dial over there. Make sure you got oil pressure. Yep, there we go. 28. I saw it before it changed. Boop, there it is. All right, beautiful. Great job, Jeff. First time, baby. All right, here we go. We're gonna check the oil level and see what we get. Get into our measurements. All right, so oil change complete with Jeff and Chris. 19 out.